Advances in 5G and edge computing are ushering in new scenarios across industries. Applications can now be enabled using a new class of low-latency, highly reliable mobile network and edge computing technology. Azure Edge Zones with AT&T brings infrastructure with Azure services to the edge of AT&T mobile network in select metros. These capabilities allow enterprise customers to develop mobile applications with reduced complexity and the security and compliance customers expect from Microsoft and AT&T. All these capabilities are enabled using the same tools and services that you are familiar with in Azure. You can deploy the services into the new Azure Edge Zones with AT&T location. Services such as compute resources like virtual machines and Azure Kubernetes service. Networking services like standard load balancer, Azure Virtual Network, Private Link, and storage services. Let's walk through the virtual machines deployment. All Azure services will have the similar deployment experience. Using the Azure portal, you can deploy a virtual machine resource at the Edge Zone. While creating a virtual machine, you select the See All Deployment options to find the Azure Edge Zones with AT&T. In the next step, you search for the Edge Zone. Then you select the Edge Zone. The Edge Zone location gets populated at the region locator. Next, you proceed to create the public IP. Create a standard public IP and select OK. Then you proceed to review and create the VM. After the template has been validated successfully, the deployment starts. You can go to the resource you just created after the VM has been deployed successfully. In the overview, you can see the Edge Zone as part of the Azure region in the Essentials view. You can monitor the VM you just created, enable other capabilities, verify metrics, see recommendations, if any. A complete, seamless experience, similar to what a customer would have at the Azure region. Applications deployed leveraging the Azure services can have connectivity to the AT&T Mobility Core network. This is achieved through a dedicated, optimized 5G connectivity through our edge site locations. Microsoft and AT&T customers and partners are beginning to realize the benefits of edge computing with mobile connectivity. We're working with partners such as JamKazam, whose platform helps musicians play together live and in sync over the internet from different locations with high-quality audio and video. The Azure Edge Zones with AT&T allowed musicians to experience lower latency and less jitter, helping everyone stay on time. EVA, an autonomous drone management company, used Azure Edge Zones with AT&T for real-time management of its drone in a test environment. The solution enabled EVA to control the drone beyond visual line of sight from a remote command and control station using real-time telemetry data. Microsoft and AT&T are working together to bring the power of cloud computing to the edge of AT&T's leading mobility network, unlocking opportunities for customers across industries to innovate and deliver new experiences and services for their customers.